What's up, meatballs? Mr. Meat Hook here.
Now we aren't strangers, are we?
Coming to you today with a haul of It Chapter 2 Funko Mystery Minis. I was at the mall today with my boy Angel. Check him out. He's got a brand new channel. Does similar but different content, if that makes sense. Check him out. His link will be in the description. He's a brand new channel. He's got like 3 videos. I picked up 6 of these. They were buy 2 get 1 free. Can't beat that. And then I had a $5 rewards, so it was even less. These are the ones you can get, and they're varying different rarities. So let's see what we got. The first one I'll start with is the one that I know what it is, because this one is super fucking heavy, so I know for a fact that it's this one. So if you pick up one of these things and the box seems really heavy for a mystery mini, it's fun. It's Pennywise with all these balloons. I typically don't have really great luck with mystery minis. I do know this is the only one of these I got because it's the only one that's really freaking heavy. But I am glad to have it, and I'm glad that because it's so heavy, I will guarantee that I won't get another one because I just won't grab another one this heavy. Next up, I do hope that I get the 4 different Pennywises. And then from there, I'd love to get one of the rarer ones, but we'll see what happens. Okay, we got this is the other 1 in 6 Pennywise. Very cool. And then, knowing my luck, I'm going to get 5 more of those, or 4 more of those. I believe it's just the Pennywises that are 1 in 6. Yeah. Everything else is a minimum of 1 in 12. Like I said, knowing my luck. Oh well, it is what it is, right? This one I can feel that it's definitely not the same one, but I have no idea what it is. Okay, I'm wrong. It is exactly the same one. This is starting out to be kind of disappointing. But this is exactly the kind of luck that I have with, like I said, the mystery minis. Okay, got this one. You'll have to excuse me. I haven't seen it in probably 1.5 years or so. I don't remember the kids' names. I'm sorry. Got that one. This one is 1 in 12. I would like to get the zombie Georgie. I think he's cool looking, but I'm doubting that I'm going to get it. Last one. Let's see what it is. Excellent. Zombie Georgie. That makes me happy. It's not super rare, it's 1 in 12, but this one I think it's actually the coolest looking one aside from the Pennywise with all the balloons. So guys, I have decided that as long as I don't forget to, I'm going to change what I say in my outro, so I'm going to launch it right here. So thank you guys so much for watching. Keep it spoopy and support independent horror. Deuces.
You don't fuck with the low gang!